So today we are going to see how to install Visual Studio Code on Windows level machine. So first we have to open the browser and type Visual Studio Code download. You will see the first link code.visualstudio.com. Click on this link. You can see over here Windows level. Click on this and download will start over here. Once the download is completed successfully, open your downloads folder and double click on this exe. You can see over here, click on I accept, click on next button, click next, install. So you can see now the installation has been started over here. You can see the Visual Studio Code is successfully installed over here and we are able to open the Visual Studio Code. So how to learn the different languages like JavaScript, Node.js or C# from Visual Studio Code. So you can go on this link over here. You can see these options, how to run TypeScript, how to run Python, how to run C#. Okay, so you can go on this link and you can check the how to run the languages inside Visual Studio Code. So we come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe our channel.